Okay, welcome back to the footage from the staff Honda Civic Type R. Just a bit more information now showing you what's involved in actually fitting good stereo equipment. As I say, a lot of anybody can buy audio, but it's the actual installation that makes the kit sound good. It's to be properly installed using correct methods. Here, this is actually called Dynamat Superlight, which is a slightly thinner material than the Dynamat Extreme, but does exactly the same job. This car has also what we would call a stage 3, level 3 internal doorbell. Now what that means is level 1 would just be a bit of sound deadening with the speaker mounted to an MDF ring. Level 2 would be both the inside and outside skin of the metalwork sound deadened with an MDF collar for the speaker, and level 3 is exactly what we have done here. Any holes, you can see here on the left hand side of the door card, there was actually an aperture there, there was a hole in the door card, and now it's a metal plate which has been fitted. They had to make a template and then bond it in from the back and then fit it with rivets, pop rivets, and then sound deaden over the top. Whole door sound deadened in the back of the door card is treated with Dynamat's range of Dynaliner, the foam based fabric. Here on the door we have the JL Audio C5 mid. We're just starting this. This car's actually going to have a set of ZRs and these 6s, but we're just trying these 6s as we've just finished doing the A-pillar build, so it's just to sort of get the car set up and trialled. So that's the mid in the door, and then just going round to the door card there we have it all again treated with Superlight and then the Dynaliner on top of the Superlight at the areas where the panel meets the door, just to take any extra resonance out of that. So the A-pillars that were in the previous bit of footage are now fully complete. You can see them up there, trimmed in vinyl. You've got the mid-range, the C5 mid-range in tweet mounted in the A-pillars, trimmed in vinyl. I'll show you from the driver's side how unobtrusive they are considering the size of the speaker. Just while I see it there, that's the JL Audio clean sweep disc. We use this disc for calibrating and setting up the car. It gives us recommended voltages from the manuals of the voltage for the amplifiers, which correspond to the speakers. We use that disc day and daily, every car, whether it's a £500 job or a £5,000 job. That disc gives us a great fundamental basis to set up the car with. So again, looking from the passenger side, just looking forward to, you'll see the mid-range and the tweet from the passenger side. So that's the JL Audio C5 mid-range and tweeter. In the floor here, again, just as a temporary measure, just to show the compactness, we have a JL Audio HD5 channel. See, this car will actually run a 604 and a 751, but just to get the three ways up and running as a trial, we're running an HD 900/5 today, just till we get it set up. So there we have it. The JL Audio C5 is installed in the car, and I'll just now walk around the car to the driver's side to show you the view from the driver's seat. Again, another door exactly the same obviously as the other side, and then sitting back in the driver's seat, hopefully that picks up the detail there. In fact, there we go. So that's the C5 mid-range and tweet installed in the A-pillar of the car. That's me looking straight forward from the driver's perspective, so you can see the really neat job, well integrated, good match with the dashboard, and again panning back down onto the C5 6.5 inch mid-bass driver in the factory location in front of the Civic, which will now change fairly shortly, but as I say, it's just to keep an update and let you know what we're doing. Thanks very much.